Me did think say the Olympic you never da keep because of the spike in a corona. But not even corona can stop the greatest show on earth. Me say Jamaica are the big deal. And we make the Olympic here successful. A good success. We little but we talawa. Big up to every athlete we represent we. Jamaica are the big deal. And we make that show here a good success. You know, say we beat them bad in the woman 100 meter. Clean sweep Elaine the golden girl at them. Mash up floor Joe reckon. Cock up me girl. Cock up me girl in the name of Jesus. Her granny say. And she did cock up for we and run left them with Shelly and Sharika. Jamaica are the big deal. And we make the Olympic here a good success. Me not tell a lie. Me did lose faith in the man them. But when me see them qualify for the 200 and 100 meter final. But when me say Ansel stretch out him legs and get that goal left away near the hurdles, me say yes, there's hope for the men them. Me say Jamaica are the big deal. And we make the Olympic here a good success. Me love the entrance with the ladies them. I do the dirt bounce, the 4x1 relay. See Sharika make the girl from USA eat dirt. All them a try catch her back, them couldn't catch her back. She take home the goal for we. Them have it to say the yam and the banana and the ackee and sawfish. But we not have to take no drugs for win. A prior hard work and talent we use and win. Me say Jamaica are the big deal and we make the Olympic here a good success.